VSAT stock analysis and VSAT stock prediction. In this brief short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with Viasat stock. And as of now, with $12.62, bro, you bet I'm looking to take it further up. You know, like it's, well, you know, it's consolidating quite a lot. Immediately, this does not show me that double break. That's when I'm not going to act. That's when I'm not going to pull no trigger. That's where I'm not going to do anything, you know. And why is that? Well, maybe because I've done 42,000 videos and I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. This, you know, has done its thing. Fine. But in my eyes, if there's no confirmation, it's nothing. So if you do want to learn how I'm making about 10K per month trading and want to stay tuned with VSAT, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. The crazy part about this is that why I don't have the receipt here, because I swear I made a video on it. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.